Go to the Text tool and place a default text box on the timeline. Change the text to underscore and repeat as many times as needed to cover the desired length. Change the color to your liking. Turn off uniform scale and adjust the size as needed. Move the text so that it covers your target text or area. Go to Animation and choose Blur Right. Adjust the duration as needed. Convert the animation into a compound clip. Navigate to the Video section, select Blend, and change the blend mode to Darken. Apply a mask to the clip to fit it perfectly over the text or area. Duplicate the animation and move it to cover any remaining parts of the text. Mask the duplicated animation to ensure it fits seamlessly. And that's it.